Nature spirits revealed. Welcome to the Within Realms. A call is heard across all the lands. A call is heard across all the realms. Dwarves and gnomes and fairies, all of the Fae. It's time now, once again. And so it begins. A gathering of wisdom. Wizards and ancient allies meet. Magic's afoot, and a gathering begins. The circle is made. They speak of a time that was once long ago when human and nature spirits worked side by side, and they all agree that it's time once again to come and reunite to work together to heal the land.